Welcome to the Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit Chapter 23. Permalink Settings. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at the permalink settings, step by step. So let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings and select Permalinks. So here first we have Common Settings. Now go to Demo on top and select Visit Site. Once your site opened, click on a post to open. Here you can see the link of the post with date and post title. It is because here we have selected date and name. Now if we select just post name, you can custom its structure and then save changes. After that your post link will change to just name. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 24. How to add favicon. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add favicon, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.